to Castle Gardens. There's an alley we want to hit up just off of South Park. All right. You heard of Yusef Amir? Big real estate developer?
I don't know. I've heard a lot of names since I got here. This guy's a big developer. Are you and him having meetings about how to run the city?
Not yet, but I got an idea about how me and him can be friendly. Some Italian dudes shut down his building site on some union bullshit. They all up in the place, strapped to their fronts with hard hats on and shit. Won't let nobody get near.
What are you suggesting we do about it?
You're gonna go in there and get them mafia types off the site. Meantime, I'm gonna tell Yusuf how good we've been to him. That cat and me is gonna be tight as two cellmates on lockdown after this.
What's in it for me?
I'll give you what you after. Cold, hard cash. That what you chasing, right?
Amongst other things. I don't know how good your plan is, though, Playboy. If I get rid of the guys on the site, then won't there be more? If it's a union problem, doesn't that make it bigger than a few guys with guns?
Shit. Union is just another word for mafia. These cats is looking to squeeze our boy Amir for dollars just because he ain't from here. When we fuck their people up, they'll realize that he ain't a cat to be messed with, and they'll back off.
Okay?
Shit. Yusef is from Dubai. He's an African, and he's coming to Liberty City to make it big. It's my duty to watch this cat's back. My ancestors came from Africa. Now he's coming out a bit later. Me and him could be cousins, shit.
I think you might want to look at the map, Playboy. Dubai isn't in Africa.
Shit, it all the same. Africa, America, Dubai. It don't matter. We're brothers. Spiritually, I mean. And that's the important bit.
Customized shit I'm making. War is necessary, war brings pain. War is necessary, war brings peace. Cause war is necessary.
I left you in that car money. You're gonna be strapped. Sniper rifles, grenades, all that shit.
Cause war is necessary, war brings pain. So war is necessary, get your warriors up. Cause my niggas are war ready. Oh, fuck. Damn.
Yo. Take them out with the rifle before you hit up the Shit, I needed to find a cat like you. A badass motherfucker who ain't afraid to take fools down.
Yeah, well, I need money, so you're in luck.
You're gonna kick some ass down there, boy. I'm backing you up.
Man, there better be a good view from the top.
All them lookouts gone, money. Get in there and free up the site.
Later on. If you can't see anything else from up here, you'll see these grenades going off.
All right, you win, money. First guy is on the
fucking can!
Oh, motherfucker! Next guy is south of the position. Up a few stories in the next building.
This is it!
I don't want to get shot. This'll stop me from talking.
You think I'm fooling around? Don't get up! He's a fucking dead man! You should not have fucked with me!
You can't outsource this, you scared.
You're surrounded. Watch for this. I live for this shit!
Just a wound! You want me to finish you off? Having fun?
Let's go! Why would a guy like you shoot me again? We're surrounded, asshole!
I'm fucking up this site too bad, you hear?
Stop crying and stay down!
Oh, I knew you was the right Slavic killer for this job. There's a cat in the southwest corner of the star by the water.
What is it?
Fired on the construction site in Castle Garden. This is possibly related to a union disagreement.
Enjoying yourself? Stay down there.
Go get a place ready. There's a whole lot of this going down.
That guy is to your east. Shit, money. Best watch yourself. There'll be more than mafia cats turning up.
Thanks for the warning. God bless this city!
Yo, money, there's a chopper turning up. I think our boys making a run for it.
I'll do my best. I got rid of all the union problems on this site. As you can see, this place is going to need a cleanup before any workers come in.
You the money, son. You